I'm gonna open it. No, this is your potty? What does it say?
Shoe.
Shoe? Should we open it? Yeah, I'm gonna open it up right now. What's in it? A potty? Is it a potty? Uh-huh.
Please.
Please, he says. She says, please get out the potty. Do we have to put it together, you think? Oh, it doesn't go that way. There's some instructions in here. The potty goes the other way. See? Yeah, this is where you poop in, or pee. This just comes off so you can leave it. That's tries it doesn't get screwed on. And there's your seat cover. And that's their thing. You shut it. You see? And that's your flusher. Like the Mickey Mouse cartoon on Disney. You need help? Here, we're gonna have to it stays up like that, then you sit on it. You sit right there. I'll show you, buddy. Okay, can I put it back in now? You did a good job trying to do it. Okay, where's this go? It holds your pee-pee under there. See that? They made a little thing to hold your pee-pee under it so it doesn't shoot up. Okay, should we go put it in the bathroom? What? It goes in the bathroom where you gotta go potty. No? Come on, follow me. I'll show you where it goes. It's gonna go right here. There's your potty. That's your potty. Okay? That's where you sit to go potty. Okay? See right there? That's your potty? Say, Micah's potty. Is that your potty? Yeah? Okay. Now how do you go potty on it? Do you know how to? No, you can keep that open. So you don't want to sit on this potty, you want to sit on the big potty. Yeah? He likes the big potty better. So we're gonna have to get him the thing that goes around on the inside. You don't want this potty? Micah? Micah? Micah. Okay, come on. He says no. Okay, get your head out of there. So you don't want to go in this potty? You don't want to sit on that one? Where are you going with that? It's not a step. No, they don't go in there. But he does not like that red thing comes off of here. He doesn't like this yellow cushiony thing. This yellow cushion thing they do not like. I don't know why, but he does not like it. It scares him. You like this yellow thing? Yeah, it has to go under you. Yep. Let's put it back on. See, that red thing comes off of there and it snaps in. And this goes on here. It's actually a good idea. It holds his pee-pee down so it doesn't spray all over. I just don't think his butt. I think his butt's a lot bigger than that. He likes flushing though. Got Madagascar ones.
This is the letter P.
Oh, you put one in. Good job. Standing up on it. You can turn pages too. You gonna put them in? You're almost gonna reach the pedal. Oh, you can. Guys. There you go, pedal. Pedal. There you go, pedal. Go. Go. Push. 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 Just makes you want to dance. You need a push? You trying to struggle?